What if I told you I risked $5,000 on a single trade and turned it into $14,000 all while letting a bot do the work? Sounds insane, right? But here's the kicker, it wasn't luck. Stay with me, and I'll show you exactly how it happened, step by step. As the trade began, the bot kicked into action, scanning the market for the perfect entry. Using advanced algorithms, it analyzed price trends, volatility, and key support and resistance levels to ensure the highest probability of success. Later on, the bot identified an entry and executed the trade. But not every trade is a winner. It closed with a small loss after the market moved against it. Here's where the bot's resilience shines. Instead of hesitating or chasing the market, it immediately recalibrated and began analyzing again, staying true to its strategy. The bot is now back in action, reanalyzing the market with laser precision. Despite the market's fluctuations, it identified another trade opportunity and executed it with calculated confidence. This time, the bot managed the position carefully, locking in a minimal gain to avoid potential losses as the market started to turn. Even in unpredictable conditions, the bot stayed in control. The next day, as the market reopened, the bot kicked into gear once again, this time operating with its carefully set market opening parameters. It wasn't long before it spotted a high-probability trade opportunity. This trade was a game-changer, securing a massive 98 pips and a profit of $9,380. That single move brought our account balance up by 5%, adding an impressive $4,934 in gains. This is the power of disciplined, data-driven trading. No emotions, no guesswork, just results. As the day turned, the bot wasn't done yet. With its consistent analysis and precision, it identified another prime opportunity and executed flawlessly. This time, it secured a massive win, adding $8,400 to the balance. With this trade, our total account growth surged to an incredible plus 9% in just a short time. The bot's performance speaks for itself. And then came the final trade. The bot analyzed the market one last time, found another winning opportunity, and executed with precision. This last trade added another impressive gain, pushing us to a total profit of $12,600 and a stunning plus 13% growth overall. Out of all the trades, only one resulted in a loss, while the rest proved the bot's consistency and effectiveness. The results speak for themselves: calculated trades, disciplined management, and consistent wins. This is what trading with precision and automation looks like.